Stehr plate compactor. Different than others. In times of constantly higher fuel costs and environmental regulations, it is time and again the innovative machines from Stehr that face this development and solve future problems today. It was Jürgen Stehr's specialists from Upper Hesse who also demonstrated with this invention that at least 50% of the energy that is required in conventional compaction equipment is lost to unnecessary, sometimes even harmful vibrations in the environment. If this unnecessary energy is saved, that means 50% less fuel consumption and, to the same extent, less generation of CO2. The area performance is 3 times better at the same time, the CO2 balance is significantly improved and the compaction processes can be carried out better, more energy efficiently and more cost-effectively in the future. Exactly this theory has now been impressively demonstrated again on a construction site at Baggerschenk in Limburg, Hesse. Since the required compaction values could not be achieved with a 13-ton single drum roller, the most powerful Stehr high-frequency plate compactor SPV 160-3, attached to a Fendt 828 Vario, was used here. With a force of 3 by 160 kN and a frequency of 70 Hz, roughly twice the compaction values compared to the roller were displayed with just one transition. As should be known to the person skilled in the art, the individual grains are set in oscillation by the action of the dynamic forces through vibration in the soil. As a result, the smaller grains are shifted between the cavities of the larger grains, a denser, more stable layer is created. Due to the high vibration frequency of the Stehr plate compactor, the individual grains are shifted even faster into the cavities, resulting in a denser layer, with the result of much better compaction results. This is all achieved through the interplay of physical formulas: force equals mass times acceleration, F equals m, the theory of the physical properties of soil mechanics and electronics developed by Stehr. With additional pressure, which is electronically regulated by the load on the non-vibrating upper part, the surface pressure can be increased and a significantly more homogeneous surface is created. Since all of this takes place with barely noticeable transmission vibrations into the environment, a known problem is solved. Highly sensitive electronic devices as well as measuring devices for GPS measurements and excavator controls work without interference because almost no vibrations are transmitted into the environment. An enormous improvement in compaction is achieved through the controlled addition of water. For this purpose, a 2,000-liter water tank is attached to the front of the tractor and the water is applied at high pressure via a spray bar, precisely dosed over the width of the area to be compacted. Since the water hits the ground approximately 10 meters in front of the plate compactor, it can seep into it better and it gets to where it is needed for compacting. The water surrounds the individual grains like a film and acts like a lubricant. This enormously reduces the frictional forces, resulting in a faster grain rearrangement with the resulting higher density.
Hello, my name is Moritz Schenk from Baggerschenk. We have a Stehr plate compressor SPV 160-3 to test and we are installing 25 centimeters of antifreeze material here. With just one pass, we achieved twice as good results with the plate compactor as with the roller, and with the plate compactor with the water barrel, we achieved even better results. We are completely convinced of the product, as we also have no vibrations in the area. We can work with the machine while measurements are being made. This is not possible with the roller because the vibrations can be felt 200 to 300 meters away.
You can find more innovative Stehr ideas at www.stehr.com. and our construction machines live in action at www.stehr.tv.